Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am here at Giant Food Store today, couponing today. I usually don't share my deals with you guys, but I decided to share them with you today and show you exactly what I'm getting. Now, like I said, every time I come to Giant, I do show you guys some of the deals that I do in my shorts. And I always tell you to check the clearance section or the last chance section. So we're going to go through that section. But before we do, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Hit the subscription button and the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video. And make sure that you have the Giant app downloaded so that you can use the digital coupons also. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys what I found on the last chance out. Okay guys, so right now Giant has these 9 elements multi-purpose cleaners, and they also have the bathroom cleaners. Now they are regularly, let me get on here. I got it upside down, I'm sorry. They're regularly $5.79, but they are marked 50% off, so they come down to $2.89. And that is for all of them. So you can either get the multi-purpose cleaner or you can get the bathroom cleaner. All of them are $2.89. Now, if you go into the Giant app, there is a $2 digital for the multi-purpose cleaner and for the bathroom cleaner. So if you click that digital, this will come down to 89 cents and that will come down to 89 cents. Now, if you want to get more than one, then look in your 925 save insert, and there is this coupon, which is $2 off, and that's either for the multi-purpose cleaner or the bathroom cleaner. So this coupon will work on either one of those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 3 of them. I'm going to use 2 of the digitals and 1 of the paper coupon, okay? So that's what I'm going to get right there. The other thing I want to show you guys, and I'm not going to get these, but I'm going to look for a coupon. But they have these ready wipes, and it's 75 cents. 75 cents. I wish they were 75 cents, then I wouldn't need a coupon. There's 75 wipes in a pack, and they are disinfectant wipes. These are really good. I actually bought these when they were on clearance in CVS, and they're regularly at $3.99, 50% off, so they come down to $1.99. And you can see my store has tons of them. So I don't know if they're being discontinued or what's going on, but if you need disinfectant wipes, this is a great deal for you. I'm not going to grab any myself. Another good deal is this Windex Dissolve Pods. This is a new product, it says. It's a starter kit, and it is regularly $5.99, but it's on sale for $2.99. I'm not going to get that because I don't have a coupon for it. But if you have any Windex coupons or you know of any that are out, go ahead and grab that. I don't know of any that's out, but that would be a great deal. Something else that I found that might be interesting to you is this Dawn Soft Top Scrubber. I have one of these, but mine is a 409. And what you do is you unscrew this lid right here, and then you put your cleaner in there, and then you just scrub. So I don't know how well the Dawn ones work, but I know the 409 ones work very well. And these are $2.24. They were 50% off. So they were regularly $4.49. They come down to $2.24. Again, I'm not getting that because I don't have a coupon. If I had a coupon, I would snatch it up. Okay? Another good find is the Flonase. It's the children's Flonase, okay? And it's the 60-meter sprays. It is actually on sale for $7.99. It was 50% off, regularly $15.99. Now, I don't see any coupons out in the inserts right now, but I did go on the Flonase website to print some coupons, and they want you to fill out a form. But for some reason, there's something going on with their site where the form is not popping up. And I thought it was my computer, so I went to another computer, but it's still not popping up. So it's their site. So if you're able to go to flonase.com and print a coupon, that would make this even better. But right now they're $7.99, which is still a good deal because that is 50% 50% off. Another deal you can grab are these 1 by Poise 2-in-1 pads. They are $3.99. They're 50% off. They were regular $7.99. Now, if you go into the Giant app, there is a $3 digital coupon that you can use. If you don't want to use that coupon, you can also submit your receipt to coupons.com and get $3 off. Either way, they'll cost you 99 cents. Then you can submit your receipt to Fetch. Fetch is going to give you another $3. So then that means that this is going to be like a $2 and some cent moneymaker for you. Well, yeah, $2.01 moneymaker for you. Okay, guys, so if you like Lay's chips, they are regularly $4.59, but there is a digital coupon where you save an additional $3 when you buy 2. And you can get just about any flavor. You see a lot of them are included in this sale. It is certain sizes, so just make sure that they have the sign, this sign right here. Okay, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these, the classic. Again, they're $4.59. I'm gonna save an additional $3, but then I'm also going to submit my receipt to Fetch. Fetch is going to give me 50 cents back, and it's also going to track for the spending of the other bonus. So let's head up to the record. Okay, guys, I just looked through the app, and there's only 1 coupon, so you can only get 1, but you can use it for both of them. So I'm going to use 2 paper coupons in order to get all 3 of these. Okay, guys, so I'm back in the car. What I end up getting were the 2 bags of Lay's chips and the 3 9 Elements cleaners. So I'm going to turn the camera around and go over my receipt with you. Okay, there you see the Lay's. So they were $4.59 after the discount. Okay, $4.59 again. And then there's my 3 9 Elements for $2.89. The $1.50 came off of each one. That adds up to the $3. That's the digital coupon that came off. Then there's the other $2 digital coupon that came off. There's my 2 $2 paper coupons that came off. Okay, guys, so my total was $901. We got to minus the tax because we don't discuss tax because everyone's tax is different, and then every city, state, and borough. So then when you minus the 16 cents, that brings my total down to $8.85. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch because there was an offer for buying Lay's chips and you get 50 cents. And then there's also a spend offer. When you spend $25, you get 3,000 points back, which is $3. So I'm tracking towards that. So when you take the $8.85, you minus the money I got back from Fetch, which is 59 cents. So then when you minus all of that out, that brings my grand total to $8.26. I think that's a pretty good deal for getting 3 of the cleaners and 2 bags of chips. So guys, head on out to your local Giant. Make sure that you clip your digital coupons. If you don't have the app, go ahead and download it. It is free. And come back, let me know what you were able to find on the clearance rack and what you end up buying. So until the next time, keep on saving.